All right, got the wheels off, and look at what I found. It's not supposed to be like that. So it looks like I need to buy some new shocks. All right, so the new shocks come with brand new hardware, thankfully. So here's our new shock. Right here is the new mount. So we're just gonna go ahead and take this nut off, put the new mount on, put the nut back on, and then bolt this back into place. Easy peasy. Our installation is super easy. As you can see, it just has the two bolts up there, the two bolt holes up there. So we just put a bolt in each side, bolt that in place up there, and then we will push the shock absorber up so that it can sit in this little cup right here. Put these bolts back in. Wham bam, thank you ma'am, all done. Alright, got the new mount and the upper portion of the shock installed. Just turn this around. Put that up in place. There we go. Now we're going to put the wheel and stuff back on this side. Get started on the other side.